guys, welcome back to Craft Habit. Today we're going to talk about why we love the Catherine Pooler inks and stamps. This is the best part to me about stamping, is this clear acrylic gridded handle. And this is the way it works. You basically take the stamp that you want to use, I'm going to use this arrow, and put it on your block. Okay, and then I'm using an aquatini. I can see exactly where my ink is going. And let's say I want to put it inside this shape that I've already done. I'm going to line it up and I can see exactly where my arrow is going to print. Okay, there you go. Perfect, and you don't have to guess where your ink is going to be stamped. All right, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.